Hey guys, we are continuing with our JAM previous year question solving video series, and this is probably the fifth video, and that is also from unit 3, that is structural geology and field geology unit. And you can expect this type of map question definitely there in the JAM exam, right? So we'll try to solve this question. And the question is that there is a map here, right? The given map shows the outcrop pattern of beds from 1 to 4. So we have 4 beds, say number 1, 2, 3, 4, where 1 is the youngest rock and 4 is the oldest rock. Okay. So these 4 beds have been faulted along FF dash. So this FF dash is a fault plane. Remember, they are mentioned here the flat ground. So in a flat ground, even an inclined fault as well as the vertical fault will have a straight line outcrop. So just by seeing this fault plane, we cannot say this fault is vertical or inclined, as the reason is the ground here is flat ground. Okay, so the ground here is flat, so we'll not have any sort of contour. As we don't have any sort of ups and downs in the ground, the vertical formation as well as the inclined formation will show you a straight line outcrop. Okay, I had mentioned this in the pattern of outcrop. I had shared the link. I'll try to share the link in the description. Just continue with this. So here we have a fault. We have two different blocks, X and Y. So there is a fault, and we have the sequence of rocks, and we have two different rocks, two different blocks. So what we have to find is which one of the following option is the correct interpretation for the structural depiction of this map. So this map, with this map, we have to find whether it is a syn form or anti-form, whether it is plunging, the direction of plunge, and which is up thrown or down thrown block. Okay, so here if you see, as it is mentioned here, one is the youngest, right? So in a fold, if you are seeing a youngest rock in the center, this should be a syn form or syncline, whatever you can call it as. So this is a syn form, right? And in the previous video I mentioned we will be getting V-shaped outcrop if the fold is plunging. So definitely this is a plunging fold with the centermost younger rock, which is say syn form. Okay, and the plunge of the fold, as it is inclined, this will be plunging like this. So this direction is somewhat near southeast. So this is a plunging syn form with a southeast dipping plunge. Okay, not only that, we can see here the younger rock is getting in contact with the older rock, which in case means this block has been upthrown. That is why the deeper rock has contact with the shallow rock. We can say like this, right? So as the younger rock, it will be a shallow depth, and the older rock, that will be in the deeper depth. These two will get in contact only in the case if this block has risen up, that is the upthrown block. So from this map, I can say this is a southerly dipping plunging syn form, as I explained here, right? And the fault, it is the X block is then upthrown block. Okay, is that clear? If you have any doubt, mention in the comment section. I will try to explain it in the upcoming video. And there will be 5 questions minimum from the unit: thickness calculation, type of fold, limb amount calculation, types of fault, falls, throw, heave, and there is a projection question also, right? So these are the possible questions from this heading. So prepare well for your upcoming JAM examination, and my best wishes. Thank you.